Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the key aspects of various areas of law. Today, we'll be discussing military law, a specialized legal system that governs the behavior of military personnel and ensures order and discipline in the armed forces. Whether you're curious about how military law works or considering a career in this field, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is military law? Military law is a body of laws, regulations, and legal principles that govern the armed forces. It is a distinct legal system that applies only to individuals serving in the military, both during times of peace and war. Unlike civilian law, military law has its own codes, courts, and processes. The foundation of military law in the United States, for instance, is the Uniform Code of Military Justice, commonly referred to as the UCMJ. This set of laws applies to all branches of the U.S. military: the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, Coast Guard, and even certain civilian personnel. It outlines everything from offenses like insubordination to more serious crimes such as desertion and treason. How does military law work? Military law functions within a strict hierarchy and is carried out through military courts known as courts martial. There are three types of courts martial: summary, special, and general. Each serves a different purpose, depending on the severity of the offense committed. A summary court-martial deals with minor offenses and typically involves a more streamlined process, while a special court-martial handles mid-level crimes. And a general court-martial is reserved for the most serious offenses, such as felonies. These courts are presided over by military judges and include defense attorneys and prosecutors who are also members of the armed forces. In addition to courts martial, there are administrative processes within military law, such as non-judicial punishments. These allow commanding officers to address minor infractions without resorting to formal court proceedings. You may be wondering, why is military law so important? The key reason is that the military is a unique institution that operates under strict discipline and order. The very nature of military operations, both during peacetime and in conflict zones, requires a legal system designed to address the specific challenges faced by military personnel. Military law helps to maintain order, morale, and discipline within the armed forces. It ensures that service members know the consequences of their actions, which is critical in high-stress environments. Additionally, military law is necessary to protect the rights of military personnel and ensure that they are treated fairly. One crucial aspect is that military law is not just about punishing wrongdoing. It also provides legal protection for service members. For example, the Servicemembers Civil Relief Act, SCRA, gives legal rights to those on active duty, such as protection from foreclosure or eviction while deployed. It's these kinds of laws that balance the scales, ensuring service members are not unfairly disadvantaged. Examples of rights guaranteed by military law. While military law enforces strict discipline, it also protects several rights for those in uniform. One important right is the guarantee of legal representation. Whether they are facing a court-martial or a non-judicial punishment, military personnel are entitled to a defense attorney, often provided by the military itself. Another right is due process, meaning that military personnel are protected from being unfairly charged or punished without sufficient evidence or the chance to defend themselves. They also retain certain freedoms under military law, such as the right to free speech, though this is more restricted than in civilian life, especially when it comes to criticizing military or government policies. And let's not forget the protections under the Geneva Conventions, which outline the treatment of prisoners of war and the responsibilities of military personnel during armed conflict. Violations of these international laws can lead to serious repercussions in both military and civilian courts. Now, let's talk about the various job opportunities in military law. A career in this field offers a wide range of roles, from attorneys to legal support staff. Here are some of the key positions and their national average salaries. 1. Military lawyer, judge advocate. Judge advocates, or JAGs, are military officers who serve as legal advisors to commanders and represent service members in courts martial. The average salary for a JAG officer is around $75,000 to $85,000 annually. 2. Paralegal specialist. Military paralegals assist lawyers by preparing legal documents, conducting research, and managing case files. They are integral in the smooth functioning of military justice. The average salary for a paralegal specialist is around $50,000 per year. 3. Legal assistance attorney. These attorneys provide free legal assistance to service members and their families, helping with issues like family law, contracts, and estate planning. The average salary is about $80,000 annually. 4. Court reporter. Court reporters in military law record the proceedings of courts-martial and other legal hearings. Their role is vital in ensuring accurate records. The average salary is about $60,000 annually. 5. Military law instructor. These individuals train other military personnel in the complexities of military law. The average salary is around $70,000 per year. These are just a few examples, and the field offers many other specialized roles in various branches of the armed forces. Skills required for people in military law. If you're considering a career in military law, you'll need a unique skill set that combines both legal knowledge and military discipline. Some of the key skills include: 1. Legal expertise. Obviously, a deep understanding of the law, particularly military-specific laws like the UCMJ, is critical. 2. Attention to detail. Military law involves strict procedures and detailed regulations, so you must be meticulous in following and applying the law. 3. Communication skills. Whether presenting a case in court, advising commanders, or drafting legal documents, effective communication is a must. 4. Problem solving. Legal professionals in the military often face unique challenges that require creative legal solutions, sometimes in high-pressure environments. 5. Ethical judgment. Upholding justice and ethical standards is vital, especially given the high stakes involved in military operations. 6. Physical and mental resilience. Military law professionals often serve in high-stress, fast-paced environments, sometimes in conflict zones. Resilience is essential to maintain performance under pressure. In conclusion, military law plays a vital role in ensuring discipline, justice, and fairness within the armed forces. It provides a framework that protects both the military as an institution and the individual rights of those who serve. From court-martial proceedings to legal protections under acts like the SCRA, military law is a fascinating and crucial area of the legal system. Whether you're interested in the legal rights of military personnel or considering a career in military law, there's no denying its importance. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more legal insights. See you in the next one.